Now you can find the shadows option in Capcut Mobile completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Make sure your video clip is selected and highlighted. Down and scroll to the right until you see the option which says video quality and auto reframe. You want to scroll to the right, be almost to the second to last option, in this case shadows. Next, temperature and highlights. Click it under adjust. Click this in the middle hand screen and you drag it to the right. Notice it adjusted the shadows. Assuming your video is dark and you want to make the video brighter. Or should I say this is the before? And this is the after. You have now successfully found the shadows option in Capcut Mobile completely for free.